Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that every man needs to know. The best compliments to give younger women that actually make a positive impact. Most men get this wrong. They either come across as creepy, over the top, or they use generic compliments that women have heard a million times before. But if you learn how to compliment the right way, you'll not only stand out, you'll also create attraction and genuine connection. So let's break this down step by step. 1. Compliment her style. Instead of just saying, "You look good," get specific. Compliment her outfit, accessories, or hairstyle. For example, "That color looks amazing on you. I really like your sense of style. It's unique." This shows you're paying attention to her choices, not just her looks. Younger women especially appreciate when men notice the details. First, compliment her energy. A powerful compliment is about her vibe, not just her appearance. Try, "I love your energy, it's refreshing. You have such a positive vibe, it's contagious." When you highlight her personality, you separate yourself from every other guy who only comments on looks. For compliment her intelligence. Younger women admire older men who value brains over beauty, saying something like, "That's a really smart way of looking at it. I love how you think." This makes her feel respected and valued beyond physical attraction. Or compliment her effort. Acknowledge the effort she puts into things. Whether it's work, studies, hobbies, or fitness. "I can tell you've worked hard on this, it's impressive. Your dedication really shows." This is rare and makes her feel truly seen. 5. Compliment her uniqueness. Younger women want to feel special. Avoid generic compliments like, "You're pretty." Instead, highlight something unique. "I've never met someone with your kind of humor. The way you see the world is different, and I like that." This gives her a sense of individuality and sets you apart. Compliment her confidence. Confidence is attractive at any age. Tell her, "I really admire how confident you are. You carry yourself in such a strong way." This not only makes her feel good, but encourages her to stay that way. Choose a compliment without expecting. The key to compliments is to give them without expecting anything in return. When you do this, women feel your authenticity. Remember, the best compliments are the ones that make her feel seen, valued, and respected. So guys, remember this. Real compliments aren't about flattery. They're about noticing what makes her unique and valuable. If you can master this, you'll instantly stand out in her eyes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below about the best compliment you've ever given or received. See you in the next one.